8 grad square mentors are sitting around a table. There are 4 CAT mentors, Kushal, Bibin, Ajay, and Praveen, and 4 GRE mentors, Varun, Diana, Tilaka, and Sudha. No 2 CAT mentors sit adjacent to each other. Praveen is 2 places to the right of Kushal and adjacent to Sudha, who is 2 places to the left of Varun, who is adjacent to Bibin. So this is the short question. Circular arrangement. They are sitting. The CAT and the GRE mentors are sitting alternate. That is given to you straight away in the question. Okay? So let's mark this now. There are 8 people. I made a circle here. And we know that Kushal, Bibin, Ajay, and Praveen are the CAT mentors, and we have Varun, Diana, Tilaka, and Sudha as the GRE mentors. And it says Praveen is 2 places to the right of Kushal, so I can straight away mark this now. So Praveen is here, Kushal is here because Praveen is sitting to the right of Kushal. So we are assuming here that everybody is looking at the center because the direction is not mentioned. So by default, we'll take that, right? Next one. Praveen is 2 places to the right of Kushal, adjacent to Sudha. So if Praveen is adjacent to Sudha, so Sudha can be either here or here, and we know that she takes GRE. Who is 2 places to the left of Varun? Who is 2 places to the left of Varun? That means Varun is here if Sudha is here, or Varun is here if Sudha is here. Who is adjacent to Bibin? And we know now that Varun is adjacent to Bibin. So Bibin in this case can only be here. And in this case, he can only be here. And we know Bibin takes that. Right? So this is all that you can do. So let's look at the question. If Ajay is not opposite to Kushal, then who is seated 2 places to the left of Kushal? So it says Ajay is not opposite to Kushal, then who is sitting 2 places to the left of Kushal? Now see, the CAT trainer is here, here, and here. So if Ajay is not going to sit opposite to Kushal, then Ajay is going to be sitting here, isn't it, in this place? Because Ajay is a CAT trainer, correct? So Bibin will not be there. Ajay will be sitting there. Then who is seated 2 places to the left of Kushal? That's Ajay itself. So answer will be Ajay for this one. Next. Sudha is adjacent to Ajay. Then who is Kushal seated opposite to? If Sudha is adjacent to Ajay, then who is seated opposite to Praveen? So Sudha is adjacent to Ajay is only possible if Sudha is not here and Sudha is sitting here, in which case Varun will not be here and Varun will be sitting here. And it's saying now Sudha is adjacent to Ajay, so Ajay will be here. And that means Bibin is here. Then who is seated opposite to Praveen? That's very evident now. That's Bibin. Next one. If Tilaka is not opposite to Varun, then who is seated opposite to Sudha? So it's saying Tilaka is not opposite to Varun. So it's saying if Varun is sitting here, then Tilaka cannot be here. If Varun is sitting here, then Tilaka cannot be here. Then who is seated opposite to Sudha is what it is asking. So let's take both the cases. Let's take the case when Sudha is sitting here. So then what will happen? Sudha is here, Varun is here, and it says Tilaka is not opposite to Varun. So that means Diana should be opposite to Varun and Tilaka will be sitting here. Then who is seated opposite to Sudha? Seated opposite to Sudha now in this case is Tilaka. That is the first case. Next one, we are assuming that Sudha is not here, but Sudha is here. So Sudha is here, so Varun is not here. That means Varun is here. And then we know that Tilaka is not sitting opposite to Varun. So opposite to Varun, then you will have Diana here. That means Tilaka is here. So who is Tilaka sitting opposite to? Who is Sudha sitting opposite to? So Sudha is sitting opposite to Tilaka. So in both cases, it's Tilaka. Answer will be Tilaka. That's about the 3 questions in this set.